Hello everyone, this is Young Choi again. This record is for the question number 13 illustration as part of the quiz for chapter 4, which I passed out 2 weeks ago from now, March 13. And the case is a government agency has 6,000 employees, and then the survey about the work option, likely 4 days a week and 5 days a week and flexible time based upon the sex, male and female. And I'd like to illustrate how I came up with the probability of each cell. In this case, 0.05 is equal to 300 over 6,000. So in this case, female, 600 females like 4 days section. So the probability 0.1 uh, is equal to 600 over 6,000. And then on my illustration, in this case, male like 300 males like flexible time. So that is 300 over 6,000, which gives 0.05. That's correction. I think of 1,200 males like 5 days, then out of 6,000, that is 20%, I think. So we can come up with the marginal probability, in this case, to sum them up on male side. So 0.3, female 0.7 altogether, zero point 0.6 plus 0.1. And this one is called the marginal probability side as well. So 0.15, which is 900 over 6,000, and 27 out of 6,000, 0.45, and etc. So you should be able to create the probability chart. It's called joint probability tabular based upon the raw data. And then we'll be able to address those questions. Number A, what is the probability that a randomly selected employee is a male, and is in favor of 4-day work week? So out of the male, and who likes the 4 days a week, right there. So the answer will be 0.05 or 5%. Question number B, what is the likelihood that a randomly selected employee is a female? So total female employees, 4,200 out of 6,000, so 0.7, 70%. Question number C, a randomly selected employee turns out to be a female, and I'll compute the probability that she is in favor of the flexible hours. So out of 4,200 and 2,100, they like, let's see, yeah, they like the flexible option. So in this case, flexible option, in this case, so 0.35 divided by 0.7, 50% of the female like the flexible. So that's the answer. And D, what percentage of employees is in favor of a 5-day work week? That will be 45%. So 5-day week right there, 45%. And E, actually this one is a E. Given that a person is in favor of flexible time, and what is the probability that person is female? So right in here, 0.35 is out of this probability 40%. So you'll be able to calculate 0.35 who in female like the flexible option, and then that is the uh, like a probability. We want to get the probability out of this flexible likely time as a given option. So 0.35 divided by zero point 0.4, that will be 0.875. Again, the question number E, given that person is in favorable flexible time, that means the base denominator will be zero point 0.4. And then we need to catch what is the portion of the female, in this case 2100 out of 6000, so 0.35. The 0.35 is part of right here. So what's the probability? So 0.35 divided by zero point 0.4, so around 87.5 percentage out of this flexible, they like the flexible. I mean, they are in female section. What percentage of our employees is male and in favor of a 5-day work week? That will be 20% right there. Okay, so in 5 days in male section, 20%. And question number 16 is pretty much the same deal. So why don't you practice with the answers that I'm giving. What I have in question number A, 0.8, and question number B, I come up with the 35%, and C, 0.375. That comes up with the equation 0.3 divided by 0.8, and this one D, 0.8, and E is 0.1. So why don't you practice by yourself whether your answers are right or wrong according to the answers that I gave. Okay, thank you.